Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a report from Lenz Therapeutics. And let me tell you, it's not exactly a page turner. But hey, someone's got to decode it, right? It's like trying to understand a doctor's handwriting. Except instead of a prescription, it's a financial document. We're going to figure out what this all means, so you don't have to. So on April 4th, 2025, Lenz Therapeutics made an important move. They signed a deal with TD Cowen, a company that helps other companies sell their stock. It's called a sales agreement, and it's basically an agreement to sell stock. Under this agreement, Lenz Therapeutics could sell up to $150 million worth of its common stock. This is like a company going to a bank and saying, hey, can you help us sell some shares? TD Cowen will act as what's called a sales agent. They're like the middleman helping Lenz sell its stock on the market. Lenz Therapeutics gets to set the rules for selling these shares. They decide how many shares to sell, when to sell them, and even the lowest price they're willing to accept. Imagine you're selling your old car, you decide the price and when to sell it, right? It's similar here. TD Cowen will sell the shares in what's called an at-the-market offering. That just means they'll sell the stock at the current market price. They have to do their best to sell the shares according to the rules and regulations. TD Cowen is supposed to try hard and follow the law. Now, there are some ways out of this deal. Lenz Therapeutics can cancel the agreement with 10 days notice. TD Cowen can also cancel with 10 days notice, or even immediately if something really bad happens to Lenz Therapeutics. A material adverse change means something really bad happens to Lenz Therapeutics. A material adverse change means something really bad happens to the company, like a big financial loss or a major lawsuit. For helping to sell the stock, TD Cowen gets paid. They'll receive up to 3% of the money made from selling the shares. So if they sell $100 million worth of stock, TD Cowen could get up to $3 million. Lenz Therapeutics doesn't have to sell any shares if they don't want to. They can stop the sales at any time. It's like saying, okay, never mind, we don't need to sell the car right now. These shares will be sold using a document filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. The SEC is like the government's watchdog for the stock market. This document is called a registration statement, and it's basically a detailed explanation of the company and the stock they're selling. If you want to read the full agreement, you can find it as Exhibit 1.1 in this report. It's like reading the fine print of a contract. This report also includes a list of exhibits. These are extra documents that provide more details about what's being discussed. In this case, it includes the sales agreement. Now let's zoom out and think about what this all means. Lenz Therapeutics is trying to raise money by selling stock. They've hired TD Cowen to help them do it. They might need money to fund research, pay off debts, or expand their business. The company seems to believe that selling its shares will allow them to fund their operations. The stock market can be unpredictable. How this can lead to uncertainty for investors. In conclusion, this filing shows that Lenz Therapeutics is making a move to raise capital. This could be a sign of growth, but it also carries risks. Investors should keep a close eye on how the company uses this money and how the stock performs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more simplified breakdowns of complex financial reports.